Let's we learn subtraction. Let's go.
3 minus 1. There are 3 balloons. Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. So we have total 3 balloons. Out of 3 balloons, 1 balloon is fly away. So now we left only 2 balloons. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Great. 6 minus 3. There are total 6 rockets. Great. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Out of 6, 3 rockets are fly away. Now we left only 3 rockets. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Great. 5 minus 2. There are 5 pencils. Great. Let's we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have total 5 pencils. Out of 5, let's we minus 2 pencils. So now we left only 3 pencils. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Amazing. 8 minus 4. There are total 8 heads. Let's we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out of 8 heads, let's we minus 4 heads. Now we left 4 heads. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Amazing. 8 minus 2. There are total 8 tomatoes. Great. Let's we count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. So we have total 8 tomatoes. Let's we eat 2 tomatoes. Now we left only 6 tomatoes. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Great. 4 minus 2. There are 4 ice creams. Yummy. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. So now we have total 4 ice creams. Let's we eat 2 ice cream out of 4. So now we have only 2 ice creams. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Great job. 6 minus 1. There are total 6 spiders. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Out of 6, 1 spider is run away. Now we left only 5 spiders. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Great job. 7 minus 3. We have total 7 cats. Let's count all the cats together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great! 3 cats are run away. Now we left only 4 cats. Great! So 7 minus 3 is 4. Great job! Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates.